everybody. Welcome back. Today we have a slightly smaller watch list for everyone because this week is Thanksgiving week. And so, as a reminder, Thursday markets are closed and Friday markets will be closing early. So, pretty light week overall. We do have some economic events to watch out for. Tomorrow, we do have existing home sales. And on Wednesday, we will be watching initial jobless claims, and also the Fed FOMC minutes is going to be released. So that'll be something we are going to watch. We also do have the 5-year inflation expectations, so that will definitely be interesting. We'll be watching crypto as well. But without further ado, we're just going to jump right into our watch list. Remember, if you want to see these picks before everyone else and get your charts a day early, make sure to join our Discord. If you join, you do get a 1-week free trial as well, and then it's just $30 a month. So, yep, we're going to hand it over to Eddie.
Hey guys, Trading Eddie here, and we're gonna start up with SI as our first stock on our watch list. We are watching this range between 187 and 230. So at a breakup 230, we'll add to our position, or we can also add at the bottom of enter at the bottom of the range around 187. Bros, we are looking at this support range here that we are testing. We're looking at $50 for the bottom of the support range, and we're looking for some reversal candles to signs to enter into a position. So we're looking for dojis or hammers or morning stars in order to enter on that one. We're also looking at AMC. AMC, we're looking at this short-term uptrend line in this rising wedge here, and we're looking for a move up to about 46. On next we have Ally, ALLY. We're looking at this bottom of the range retest again. We already played this, and we profited up on this one. We took it up to about $50, and we're looking to see if it holds again 46 to 47 support range. Next we have NEE, NEE. This one is breaking out of this triangle here. We broke out at about $86 and it confirmed the breakout, and we're looking for a price target of, the next price target would be about $100 on this one. Next we have C. And C, we're looking at the test of this support level of $65 for a move up to its 20-day moving average, 50-day moving average, its 200-day moving average, or its 72-day moving average. 72 downtrend resistance. Next, we have BNTX. BNTX broke out of this falling wedge here, and it's breaking above its 50-day moving average. We're looking at a price target of about 220 or 225. Next, we have COMP, COMP. COMP is testing this pattern right here, and we're looking at this double bottom here for a bounce. And if it does, we're looking to take it up to its 10-day moving average, 20-day moving average, or 50-day moving average here. Next, we have CRWD. CRWD has been in this long uptrend line going back to March of 2020, and we're looking for a bounce here around 250, 255. And before we enter, we'll see if it bounces first with some dojis, or we'll see if we see some reversal signs. Next, we have CZR. Caesar Entertainments, and we are looking at also another long-term uptrend line going back to March of 2020. It's already had a spinning bottom here at support, so we're looking on Monday to see if we can enter this and take it at least to its 200-day moving average at about $99. Next, we have DY. DY, we're looking at this breakout here at 85.06. If it does break out, then we can take this back up to 87. If it breaks above 87, then we can see if we can enter this gap resistance here at about $88 to $90. Next, we have Expedia, EXPE. EXPE, we're looking at this breakout support at about 175. If it does hold, looks like it's bouncing off its 20-day moving average. If it does hold here, we can see if we can take it back up to 187. Next, we have Facebook. Facebook, we're looking actually at the 1 hour chart. We're looking at this inverse head and shoulder right here breakout. We're having a alert set for a breakup above 346.61. You can kind of see it on the daily chart too, but it's a little bit more crunched. But if it does break out, we are entering into its uptrend channel again, and we can move this back up to retest 385. Next, we have HGV. We already broke out of this cup and handle on the weekly chart, and we're also broke out of this bull flag pattern here, and we're holding about $50. So if $50 keeps holding, or its cup and handle keeps holding, this is also a buy for a long term because it's the weekly chart. And then we have Lemonade, LMND. LMND, we're looking at this pattern right here, and we are in its PRZ. So before we enter, we want to make sure that it starts reversing here and starts bouncing before we take a position on this one. But the chart is pretty strong, and if it can hold above $50, $52, then we can see about entering on this one. Then we have LUMN. LUMN, I'm looking at the weekly chart after breaking out this long-term downtrend channel, and we are testing its 200-day moving average on the weekly chart, and we're getting pinned between its 50-day moving average as well. We're looking at this uptrend line. If we hold here at around $12, if it does, then we can think about entering on this one as well. And next we have MAT, M-A-T. MAT, looking at this V bottom play. And we're looking at to enter above 2270 if it's able to get back above it again. If it does break above it, we are looking to take this to $25 to $26. Next, we have McDonald's. MCD, we are looking at this breakout above 247. So we're looking for a hold above 250. If it's able to hold above 250, looks like it's doing a bull flag here on the weekly chart. This can go all the way. The next natural support on this resistance will be 275. CRM is next. CRM, we broke out above 286 support, and we're looking for a dip down here to support, see if we can get it around 285. If not, $300 is also natural support. So if $300 holds, that's also a valid entry. Lucid looks like it's been it's moving too high. It's going exponentially. And it's into its gap resistance here, and it also has resistance at about $63. So we're looking at Thursday's high for a double top. If it's not able to break above 57.75, then we can think about shorting this one and see if we can get some move to the downside. MLCO, we've been eyeing this one for a while. We're looking at this pattern here on the weekly chart. PRZ has been testing. If it's able to hold its $10 support, then it could be a nice entry. And then last but not least, we have NTNX. NTNX, we already took profits on this one, but I'm looking for an re-entry if it's able to have a good earnings report on Tuesday. That does it for our watch list for this week.
All right. So we're going to go ahead and wrap things up. Again, this watch list is posted a day earlier. So usually we post our watch list on Sunday evenings. So for our members, so they get access to it before markets open on Monday. So again, if you do want access to that, link to our Discord is down below. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and wrap things up here. So thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next week.